Fork in the Road, How Reason Once Ruled and Why It Lost by Azlan Adnan, M.A. Friday, March 14th, 2026. In a world drowning in outrage, echo chambers, and viral nonsense, Fork in the Road asks the brutal question: what happened to reason? Azlan Adnan traces the quiet collapse, from Enlightenment salons to algorithm-fueled mobs. He shows how we traded clear thinking for comfort, how truth became a team sport, and why the old rules of logic now feel like relics. With sharp wit and zero patience for fluff, he maps the fork. One path leads back to evidence, skepticism, and civil disagreement. The other keeps us scrolling, screaming, and smug. This isn't a lecture. It's a wake-up call dressed as a conversation. You'll laugh at the absurdity, then wince at how deep we've dug. Azlan doesn't preach, he dissects. From fake news to moral grandstanding, from cancel culture to conspiracy rabbit holes, he names the culprits without naming names. You'll still recognize them. Why does reason lose? Because it's slow. Because it hurts. Because feelings win votes, likes, and loyalty. But the cost is steep. Fractured families, broken trust, a society that can't agree on what fact means anymore. Fork in the Road isn't nostalgia for some golden age. It's a blueprint, a reminder that clarity isn't dead, just buried under noise. And it's still possible to dig it out. If you're tired of being told what to feel, if you miss arguing without hating, if you want ideas that don't come with a side of shame, this book is for you. Not because it'll fix everything, but because it'll remind you why we used to bother trying.